The Vivo X300E is getting even more interesting ahead of its official launch. After appearing in the new promotional trailer, Vivo has now confirmed some major details about the device. According to the details, the device will pack a massive 7200 mAh battery that's expected to deliver exceptional battery life, and despite that huge battery, the phone still maintains a slim and premium design. On the camera side, the X300E will feature a triple camera setup that includes a periscope telephoto lens. Vivo has also partnered with ZEISS for the imaging system, but so far the company has only confirmed ZEISS technology for the telephoto camera. It's still unclear whether the main and ultra-wide cameras will also benefit from the ZEISS collaboration. And yeah, according to the camera details, the phone will have a 50MP selfie shooter, and on the back it will feature a triple camera setup consisting of two 50MP cameras, that's the main camera and a periscope telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra wide angle lens. According to a China Telecom listing, the device will feature a 6.59-inch display and it's going to run Origin OS 6 out of the box. Buyers can expect configurations with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. So these are the new details about the X300E. The device is expected to officially launch on the 27th of July. So please take these specs that I just shared with you guys with a pinch of salt because they're based on leaks and rumors. But on the 27th, we'll get to know its official details. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.